Well, hi guys, this is a video of single pin picking a 70mm disc lock that was given to me from a colleague at work who normally comes on his push bike. I'd lost a key for this, so knowing I'm into lock picking, he gave it to me. Not sure on the make, it says W just there, then security underneath, and obviously around there stainless steel as standard. So let's have a go at picking this. As soon as I start attacking the pins, I can feel feedback from the tension wrench on this. So actually adjust accordingly. As you can see with my thumb moving a little bit. There you go. Got it then. The lock is now open. Let's lock that back up. So thanks for watching, and unfortunately guys, I'm going to have to do this again. With my 200mm laser pointer. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed that. If you do require any lock picking equipment, please visit www.dbclocksmith.co.uk, and while on there, visit the forum guys, because when you do purchase any bits and pieces and you have a spot of bother if you're a newbie, get on the forum, ask away. There's admin, moderators, myself and all the other members of the forum on there, and if you type in, don't be shy, get on your keyboard, type in ask, and we'll give a reply as quick as we can. So again, thanks for watching, happy picking, and again, please keep it legal.